In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Mailerlite account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right page, sign up confidently, and what to expect during approval so you can start building your first campaigns without stress. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Mailerlite. In the results, look for the official site with the Mailerlite.com domain. Avoid lookalikes and ads that don't point to the correct address. Once you're on the home page, you should see a clear Sign Up Free button, usually at the top right. Click that to begin. You'll be taken to a short form. Enter your company or organization name, your full name, a work email address you can access, and a strong password. Use a business email tied to your website if you have one. It helps with trust and deliverability later. Choose a unique password and keep it secure. Next, click Create My Account. If you prefer, you can choose Sign Up with Google to speed up the process. Either option works. Even with Google Sign In, you'll still provide some business details soon. Mailerlite will then prompt you for additional information. This includes your business details, a physical address, subscriber information, and website verification. Providing accurate information is important. It helps meet anti-spam requirements and protects your sender reputation. Use your real physical mailing address. Briefly explain how you collected your subscribers and be honest about your sending plans. For website verification, follow the on-screen guidance. The platform may offer simple methods to prove you own your site. Pick the one that's easiest for you. Having your website URL handy will make this faster. Once you submit your details, your account goes under review. Approval usually takes between 30 minutes and 24 hours. While you wait, you can still explore the dashboard. This is a great time to click the Create or Create New button to start a new email campaign draft. You won't send anything yet, but you can get familiar with the editor, browse templates, and set your brand colors and logo. You can also begin building a landing page or save an email draft so you're ready to go the moment your account is approved. That's it. You searched for Mailerlite, clicked the correct link, signed up for free, provided your details, and started exploring by creating a new campaign draft. Once your account is approved, you'll be ready to add subscribers and send with confidence.